Hey Divas, hope you're all doing great. Today I will share with you how to apply nail foils without glue, and I'll be using Born Pretty Store nail foil. It has got pretty holographic snowflakes all over it, and I'll mention all the details regarding it in the description below, so definitely check it out. To start, I've cut the foil into small pieces so I can easily apply it. And I've applied one coat of black polish on my nails and let it dry completely. Then I'll be applying this KB Shimmer Multichrome nail polish to have that pretty color shift I want. I applied 2 coats of it and I let it dry completely. I leave it for like 3-4 hours so that it is completely set and dry. Then taking my oily glosser top coat, I apply very thin layer. Then I let it dry for 2-3 minutes and then I run my finger over it so that it doesn't get my fingerprints on but it still feels little tacky. And then I'll just take the foil sheet and apply over it. I'll put the foil print on top and run a dotting tool over it so that the patterns are transferred on my nails. So without glue it is like a bit time taking like this process, and I would suggest you do it like one finger at a time, and you may not get the whole print at once, so you may have to do it like couple more times to get the whole print on if you want. So you can see I got only few prints on, so I just put a little like top coat on the rest of the places and put the sheet again and repeated the process so that some other patterns are like applied on my nails. And I had to do it like for twice for each nails to get the patterns as per my liking. But if you are working with smaller patterns, you may get it like easily transferred. The foil sheet is very pretty though, and I think with nail glue you will get better result definitely. So here I'm just going to show the steps again one more time and you can see how to do it. And don't apply any top coat after applying nail foils. It will kind of ruin the look. Just leave it like that, and these foils they stayed on like for a quite decent amount of time without like getting off or fading out, so the quality is good. So this is how it looks, and it looks much better in sunlight or yellow lighting, and the holographic effect is too amazing. So definitely check it out. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. Hit the bell button to get notified of my future videos, and I'll see you soon with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.